Congresswoman, there are always challenges within healthcare,
Okay.
and so we
I'll
always
reclaim my time. Dr. Conway.
Yes, as a practicing physician, medicines need to be a full.
Hallelujah. Do you gentlemen see how he answered that question? Yes, there's a problem. We might be able to get to some solutions. And I think therein lies the problem. You all are the middlemen. You all want to make a profit, which, okay, that's good. But if you're not delivering an outcome to the people who use it, how long do you all think you're going to have a job? There's a problem. We got to fix it, right? And part of the issue is prescription drug prices have increased every single year for the past 15 years. And the so-called middlemen in the drug market, the PBMs, clearly have the ability to impact that cost. I mean, I might remind everybody, the reason why we put this program together was to help reduce costs. Am I inaccurate on that? It seems to have done the opposite. Yet the most concerning thing to me is I continue to ask you all when you come into my office, because you seem to think that there's not an issue, except for you, Dr. Conway, and I appreciate that, is show me the data that supports your position, right? Just show me the data, because the other side that thinks there's a problem, the end user, has the data, right? My colleague from Michigan has testimony from our constituents telling us that there's a problem. They have this little thing called data. When I ask you all for data, ad nauseum, I might say, you send me a really pretty PowerPoint, of which I'd like to enter into the record, which is a sales piece. I spent 35 years in sales. This isn't data. So I'm going to ask before we go on, do you have, and if you don't, that's okay, perhaps that's where you should start. Do you have specific data, not a pitch book, but do you have specific data that you could share with me and the members of this committee that shows you actually are doing what the PBMs were supposed to do, and that save costs for the patient? Do you have specific data that you will actually send to me? Mr. Joyner?
Absolutely, we will send you.
And when could I expect that?
I will work with my staff and get it to you ASAP.
ASAP as in Monday, perhaps?
I will work with my staff.
That's great. ASAP as in 2 months from now? ASAP as in 2 years from now, of which I've been asking?
Yeah.
ASAP just is like ASAP.
No, we do.
Okay, I'll pay you as soon as I can pay you too. Don't you worry. I'll get you your profits as soon as ASAP, yeah? I can't define ASAP, but, you know, like ASAP. How about you, Mr. Kutzner? When can